first network topologies is mesh topologies. This topologies is a characteristic fully connected, and the advantage of these topologies is each connection can carry out its own data load. So the disadvantage is installation and configurations is difficult. So the second one is star topologies. The characters of these topologies is every node has its own dedicated connections to the hub. The advantage of these topologies is the hub can be upgraded easily, and second, the advantage is easy to troubleshoot, and the third is easy to set up and modify. Disadvantage of these star topologies is the cost of installation is high, and the second one is expensive to use.
Today I would like to tell you about two topologies, that is bus and ring. For bus, the characteristic is it transmits data only in one direction, and every device is connected to a single cable. For ring, the character is each computer is connected to a computer. Either side of it, data flows one way round the ring until it finds the computer it was sent to. For the advantage, for bus, it is cost effective and used in small network. But for ring, transmitting network is not affected by high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes have token can transmit data. It also cheap to install and expand. For the disadvantage of bus, cable fails, then whole network fails, and cable has a limit length. But for ring, the disadvantage is troubleshooting is difficult in ring topologies. Adding or deleting the computer disturb the network activity. Failure of the other computer disturb the whole network.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will talk about circuit switching. So circuit switching has characteristic, has advantage and disadvantage. Firstly, we go to the characteristic. Circuit switching has constant rate data stream back over some dedicated connection, and it is also characterized by a fee per time unit of connection time even when no data is transferred. Circuit switching is also highly reliable. So next we go to the advantage of the circuit switching. Firstly, the dedicated path circuit established between sender and receiver provides a guaranteed data rate. Secondly, once the circuit is established, data is transmitted without any delay, as there is no waiting time at each switch. Next, we go to the disadvantage of the circuit switching. First, as the connection is dedicated, it cannot be used to transmit any other data, even if the channel is free. Secondly, dedicated channels require more bandwidth.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Okay, today I will present to all of you about packet switching. Okay, now I want to describe about characteristic of packet switching. Firstly, only the physical layers on two hosts communicate directly. Okay, second, going down layers add headers with information specific to that layers. After that, going up, layers examine and discard headers. Furthermore, I want to describe about advantage and disadvantage. Okay, firstly I want to describe about advantage. Advantage of packet switching is efficient use of network. Okay, second, easily get around broken bits or packets. Okay, lastly, high data transmission in a packet switching is very easy. Okay, lastly, I want to describe about disadvantage of packet switching. Okay, firstly, in packet switching, packets arrive in way order, in raw order. Second, test transmission delay. Okay, lastly, the disadvantage of packet switching is packets may be lost off their routes, so sequence numbers are required to identify missing packets.
Now I will tell you what the best topology is. I will recommend you the best topology is mesh topology because it distributes most of the transmission even if a connection go down. And the second, the security are more secure and it's difficult to hacking.